Agentforce knows what kind of data to pull up before giving you any answers. Have you ever wondered what makes it possible? Data Cloud. Well, you might have known the answer already, but I'm going to show you the process in this video, so keep watching. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. We have made AI agents in previous videos. We engineered them with prompts and actions. And today, we will explore how your AI agents work with Data Cloud. Let me break it down for you. Data Cloud is basically the storage basket that keeps all your Salesforce data and hands it to you whenever you need it. This data could be structured like spreadsheets or unstructured like images and videos. It connects data across multiple sources so that your Agentforce agent always has the most updates and accurate information. Now within Data Cloud, we also have a powerful tool called the data library. It is similar to a library of books, but in this case, contains all the data organized in labeled shelves so that your agents can just refer to the correct data set while responding to customer queries. It helps the agent know where to look and what to look for when giving answers, whether that's from files, web sources, or even your own systems. For example, let's say you have uploaded product manuals, pricing sheets, and policy documents. By linking these in your data library, Agentforce knows exactly where to fetch answers from when a customer asks, "What's the return policy on item X?" Now, for any data piece that you upload, there is a source, such as files. There are PDFs, Word docs, or spreadsheets that could contain onboarding guides, FAQs, or internal documentation. But keep in mind that there is a limit to the size of data. For example, you can upload PDFs of up to 100 MB. Then there is a source called web, which basically means any specific web pages like your help center or blogs, which your agent will fetch, index, and use as information. Lastly, we have the custom retriever. If you have your own knowledge base or internal database, then with the help of custom retriever, you can plug Agentforce directly into that source so it can fetch the latest info on demand. Let's see how data library works inside Agentforce. So first of all, you need to set up Data Cloud. You just have to navigate to it and click on the Start Setup button, and it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Once your Data Cloud is set up, you have to give permissions to the Data Cloud user and Data Cloud admin. Once those permissions are given, then we have to go to the data libraries from Setup and Search. Click on Create and give your data library a name and select the type of data. Like I mentioned before, it can either be file, web, or custom retriever. I'm choosing file here, and now we can upload any files from the system. I have already uploaded my files here, so I will go back to the data library setup. Now one thing to remember here is that whenever you create a data library, it then creates three important things: data streams, search index, and retrievers. Data streams are the real-time flow of data. They allow a continuous injection of information into Data Cloud and ensure that the library is always up to date with latest information. When you click on the data stream, you will be able to see that it has done the mapping by itself. Search index is also created automatically. It is a tool that will let you index the data stored in the Data Cloud so that when AI agents looks for anything, it can quickly access the information. And finally, you can find the retrievers if you go to the data type. It is a component which helps in pulling all the relevant data from the Data Cloud based on a query or a prompt. It's very important for retrievers to work alongside the search index to ensure that the right data is brought to the AI agents. Then, agents can access and use this data in real time for tasks such as providing responses or generating insights. So this is what's happening at the back end when you're trying to get an answer from your AI agent. Let me quickly show you how to connect this data library in Agentforce through a demo. For this demo, I have an agent builder here. This is my custom agent. Right now, there are no topics, no action, nothing is there. By default, Salesforce provides a standard topic, which is a general FAQ. You just have to select the general FAQ. And in this topic, you'll also find actions. Let's select answer questions with knowledge. Now, which knowledge will it use? Well, currently it does not have any, so we will select the data. And here we have to select the data library. I have a pre-built module bank. Let me show you the document once. This document contains all the information, all the basic information on what documents are required if you want to open a bank account. It outlines the information here as you can see. Once you have selected the data array, we just have to save the record. Now we'll go back here in Agent Builder and go to the topic first, and let's test it out to see what is happening in the backend. We ask what are the required documents for account opening, and it gives you an accurate answer as it was mentioned in our document. So that's how the data library works, and that was a standard topic which is given by Salesforce itself. You can use this topic or you can create a custom one, whatever suits you. So that's the data library, a simple yet powerful way to make Agentforce smarter with your data. Now you know what's powering those accurate responses behind the scenes. And if you want any consultation around activating the power of Agentforce in your organization, we have just launched an Agentforce activation program at Syntexa. Check out the link in the description for the same, down there. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. And subscribe to the Salesforce Hulk newsletter so that you never miss an important update about Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.